name's Jason Knott, and I too have witnessed the times where we see one of our loved ones here, shriveling and dead. Do you want to help? I know I do. For only 37 cents a day, you can be the proud owner of one of our fearful friends here. Come here, Pooch. Come on. You too can be the proud owner. It's okay. It's okay. Again, for only 37 cents a day, or $1.62 on your SNAP card. Either or. Be the proud owner.